Welcome back to HOBI IT, your go-to channel for all things tech. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of creating a complete Outlook email account. Whether you're new to email or simply want to set up a fresh Outlook account. After successfully entering the Microsoft website, signup.live.com, this is the first step to create an email. Please enter the email name you want. If you get a message like this, you should try using a different email name. Please enter a strong and secure password, consisting of uppercase and lowercase letters, a variety of symbols and numbers. And then, you can enter your email account name. This name will appear on your Outlook account email display. Enter your date of birth, or whatever date it is. Match this angle. Use the arrow to rotate to face in the direction of the hand. Please enter the password according to the password you created earlier. The next step, you can open the Outlook email application that is installed on your laptop e-computer. Enter the email name and Outlook email account that you created earlier. Please enter the password according to the password you created earlier. And then, you can enter your email account name. This name will appear on your Outlook account email display. Please enter the password according to the password you created earlier. The last step, we reopen the Outlook email application. And it worked. All steps to create a new email account have been completed. I hope this video is useful. And there you have it. You've successfully created a complete Outlook email account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to HOBI IT for more tech-related guides and tips. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tech-savvy tutorial. Happy emailing! Don't forget to subscribe, like and share to get video updates about technology. See you again in the next video. Bye-bye.